Hi, everyone, and happy return to the Help Coin, your go to place when you're craving cryptocurrency. I am Ripple Van Winkle, your host. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. Monday is here. Why not the beginning of a fresh week? This year is speeding fast, and when Bitcoin crosses 74,000 and the markets go completely parabolic and you keep refreshing your phone, you can be sure that it will speed up even more this year. It is Monday, May 13th, not Friday the 13th. You really ought to purchase one of those phone portable chargers. It's my second visit here. This will be my third successful run. You will continue to swipe down to refresh and view your favorite coins. You would drive on the highway, so you know that your battery life will run out sooner than you think. That's a very excellent analogy, I made it up as I went along, but we had a lot to discuss in this episode. Is the SEC hurting cryptocurrency? Do they? Destroying cryptocurrency in the US. We're going to talk about how the US government is attacking stablecoins all day long, particularly Tether, South Korea's XRP ledger, which is gaining new legitimacy and spinning off a lot of people. They're offloading 30 million XRP, but what will happen next? An XRP analyst tells us he expects a potential spike from $3 to $20 to $20. You will want to read through to the very finish. We received a captivating video. Remain calm and sit back. Now let's dive into a 62,667-hour Bitcoin. It has now increased by 2.16% over the last 24 hours in theory. My entry is 2,961, an increase of 1.04%. USDT is now valued as $1 in USD. See, it's only 99 cents for everyone, and XRP should give it the classic 50 cents. Hey, 0% over the last 20 and the last 20 in the last day. I won't gripe about it because I'm used to seeing that sea of crimson there. How are you going to proceed? Yes, purchase more Bitcoin markup overall to trade 322 billion if you don't already know. After all, who's claiming who in this song? Each and every one of you ought to possess a minimum of one LuxLines NFT. If you're ignorant about what we're doing here, join the Discord channel to learn more. This is my NFT project, which rewards NFT holders with XRP each and every month. That's accurate. If you purchase an NFT in May and don't purchase one in June, you will be compensated in June. Payment is made to you in July. You'll still receive your payout in September, October, November, and August. They only cost $165. We are the largest project on the XRP ledger based only on volume, so what are you doing? We've completed more than 200 NFTs a month. I think we completed about 225. You tell me another project in the XRP ledger that has completed those amounts, but I can't. That's 225 NFTs in 13 days. And as of right now, we're switching to a tangible digital collection for these. We're giving something new a go. Your NFT artwork will be printed on a Canva canvas. James Rule remarked the SEC is stifling advancements in cryptocurrency. Your industry demands for changes to regulations. This is the article you wrote. Stephen stopped by a Bloomberg analyst to discuss the SEC's position on cryptocurrencies, claiming that the industry is harmed by the restrictions, or perhaps the absence of regulations, or even the free passes that have been distributed. The American crypto economy is currently engulfed in a heated regulatory dispute spearheaded by Chairman Gary Gensler and other influential players. However, there is a lot of criticism to this. Regulatory pushback from people like Mark Cuban and Stephen Theroff, who support their claims with compelling evidence and argue that the regulations cause more harm than good. These are their thoughts. Stephen is wrong. And to paraphrase Joe Lubin, he and other dishonest individuals have intentionally maintained the low level of the cryptocurrency market capitalization, hindering the development of the ecosystem and defrauding the public of hundreds of billions to trillions of dollars. According to Nirav's argument, Lubin, Gensler, and other evil actors, the market capital could be booming with higher profits thanks to the help of the blockchain and decentralized industries. But actions have not only stifled the industry's growth, but have also deprived the public of significant economic benefits. Stephen is spot on, and I love that he speaks without shame. What's he thinking about? He's pretty much saying everything without holding back. Almost entirely true. To be completely honest, the US government is pursuing Tether, the issuer of stablecoins, after they broke the law. This is significant. Now is the ideal moment. We can't help but laugh that Ripple is entering this space and producing their own stablecoin, as they are. Can you imagine if Ripple begins to cut into Tether's market share with their stablecoin? Keep in mind that XRP is the stablecoin used by everything that operates on the XRP ledger. Thus, XRP will be used in every transaction. There is no way around it, no ifs, ands, or buts. If you know that your money is about to run out, try not to allow the enjoyment get to you. It will begin to flow into USDC, also known as the Gemini stable currency or the upcoming release of the new Ripple stablecoin. With any luck this year, this might really change the game. Observe what's happening in the world. A XRP attorney responds to South Korea's decision to join it as an XRP verified XRP for attorneys such as Bill Morgan reacted to the Korean virtual asset service provider's recent declaration of a finite block becoming a validator in the XRP ledger by joining additional HE2. He underlined how important this breakthrough is to the ecosystem of the XRP ledger. Morgan's comment highlights the wider ramifications of this action in the context of the recent inclusion of Validator to the XRP ledger network. He made a comment regarding the timing of his petition's fitted blocks. However, the SBI holding states that it can't be a coincidence that the SBI entry became an XRPL validator so quickly, don't you think? Japan and South Korea, it should be noted that these validators are being spun up in anticipation of the network being used for payment processing. This is likely not the final one either. I believe there will be a lot more of these. As time will tell what's going on over there in the world with the XRP validators spinning up, but come on, don't you think this is the ideal timing? After SBI launched a validator, a South Korean company has also launched one. Not in my opinion, this is an infinite block. There is a lot of placement custody. They declared that they will take part in the XRP ledger as a validator. Would adore to see it the price hike of XRP below 50 cents improves with the number of validators. Yes, it did for a very brief moment. We made contact with 49, but what comes next? Excellent query. You can read this post to learn about the unfortunate transfer of 30 million XRP to Bitstamp. Never want to witness the transfer of XRP to an exchange. Are you in favor of XRP being transferred from the exchange to a call wallet? If they transfer money to an exchange, it's usually just before they dump it. It's going to be sold for 30 million. Many XRP wish we could identify the person as responsible for all these significant movements. I don't care what price you acquired XRP at, yet you already know it. A large sum of money is needed to obtain above 30 million. XRP, but we have a specialist in that area. Yes, they are forecasting a possible increase to $3, up to $20 for XRP. I'm aware that you're probably furious. Man, come on. We are currently at 50 cents, $3 to $20. Yes, well, there you have it. Kyle Chassie, a Bitcoin investor, he predicted that during the bull run, XRP will top at $3. They disclosed their investment while projecting the peak prices of well-known cryptocurrency assets. According to him, since XRP is now only selling at 50 cents, we only need to rally approximately 493% of people will meet the $3 goal. At the $3 projections below the all-time high, it is worth mentioning. Okay, let's just make this correction right here. This is untrue. $3 would mark XRP's highest point ever recorded in US history. In actuality, it was roughly 282. 3,084 cents was a South Korean price that was never available in the United States. He is therefore considering a $3 XRP. His thoughts are on a $2 Doge. I'll go approximately 350 ABA at 7 dots at 200 IVX at 350 H bar at $2 link at 300. You listen. I'm not upset about anything, and if the other figures pan out, I'll take a $3 XRP. What do you know? Rip has retired. See you later. Goodbye. 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 We're not going anywhere. Don't worry about making videos, growing the projects, and adding more. A further analysis available King 100 the 10th Joules, he stated that XRP would reach $20 and that Bitcoins would reach $500,000. Why will Cardano reach 75? Oh, from 50 cents to 75 cents. We all need to seek 88 up financial guidance, in my opinion. Now, let me tell you the truth. These folks are using clickbait to gain new followers and are tossing figures in an attempt to generate responses. All they are doing is that. They are clueless because if you took all of this and you did the maths in the end, you would observe how much money would truly need to be invested in the markets, as well as how high the entire market capitalization for cryptocurrencies would be. We presented you with goals. I believe we showed you the chart. XRP is ranked 1 at 75 cents. It must be resolved that 75 cents are broken. We may now examine XRP's rise, which aims to reach the all-time high of roughly $3. Once we surpass that amount, the possibilities are endless. If you didn't see the first video of the day, we informed you the other stats. Now listen to it. We'll be considering an XRP of $4.50 and perhaps even $6. Furthermore, if a frenzied event occurs in these markets, we might witness a parabolic blow up top, placing us in, you are aware, $1420-2224, someone in that range. But at that point, we're talking about needing everything worked out and having a ridiculous amount of money. We need over $10 trillion in cryptocurrency, so a lot needs to happen before those numbers drop. On the conservative side, though, $3 to $6 for XRP during this bull cycle that started at 50 cents is a huge, massive gain. It's nothing to be upset about. Nobody ought to be yelling and kicking. Taking profits and investing again is what everyone should be doing because, let's face it, performing a 6 to 15x, you make some profound discoveries. Benefits that can change your life and pay off a large amount of debt we've already discussed on the channel, and I'll go into further detail about the story. Depending on how much your monthly car payment is, you can free up between $400 and $500 if you can pay off your vehicle. It resembles a bonus check. Correct? If you receive enough XRP to pay off your mortgage, you've just rewarded yourself. Assume you have a 2,000 mortgage. You have achieved life-altering gains by giving yourself a rise of $2,000 every month. People think critically about this. I'll keep writing about this and sharing some incredible life hacks and advice. Stay with me, please. Wash your hands. Ripple Van Winkle is out. Treat each other with kindness and civility.